Hi friends, I'm Subhashri and welcome back to my channel, and a very happy morning to all of you. After so long time I finally got down of my apartment and I'm feeling really nice to see this greenery, this morning sun rise, and really enjoying this pleasant weather out here. And basically during this lockdown we all are indoors, and that's good and that's safe also, but sometimes we have to break the rule and come down to have a connect with the nature, and also it will refresh ourselves. So the place where I live is full of greenery and you can't resist to stay indoors when you have such nice plants, trees and flowers blooming around. So today I thought, let's come down and let's take the pleasure of the nature. In this video I will basically show the flowering plants we have in this place. There are a lot many flowering plants, and some are like that which whose name even we don't know, like suppose I don't know. So I will show them. You please enjoy watching these flowers and get connected and be safe indoors. Even if you come out, please wear your mask and sanitize, which I have done. So let's begin the video. So friends, I hope you have enjoyed watching this beautiful, colorful and different varieties of flowers. Let me know which flowers you find it new. Also, I want to thank the gardener of this area who, in spite of this lockdown also and challenging times, also have taken so good care of all the plants and trees. And I really want to share a great thank you to him and his team. Second thing is, here there are a lot of non-flowering plants of very different varieties, color, shapes, and I will surely make a video on that. I hope you have liked this, you have got connected to nature. In indoors also you could have find a look of beautiful nature which is around us, which is blooming very nicely, and we have to take care of this nature, plant as much as trees we can, because this is the time where we can do something to our nature to protect it, and it will help us to nurture us back. So friends, that's all for today's video. If you have loved this video and like this beautiful flowers, then please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified. Share with your friends and family to share the beauty of the nature, and comments your feedbacks and suggestions. Till then, see you in the next video. Let's live, connect and grow. Bye.